Welcome to the Buzz Learning Center. In this video, we will provide a tutorial on the member list setup for Member Manager. There are numerous configuration options for the member list in Member Manager. To launch the setup, right-click anywhere in the member list and select Setup from the menu. When the member list setup form loads, you will see 4 tabs: Appearance, Filtering, Add-ins, and Columns. The Appearance tab has 3 sections: Grid Colors, Member Type Icons, and Font. You can set the column background and font colors. The sorted background and text colors are for the column selected when you click on the column header in the member list. The default background color and text are the settings for unsorted columns when the list is not filtered. The filtered background color and text are the settings for unsorted columns when the list is filtered. Instructions on the use of sorting and filtering is provided in the video named Member List. In the section Member Type Icon Colors, you can set the color and shape of the icons for each member type. The icon will appear to the left of the name in the member list. To change the type and size of the font, which will appear in the member list, click on the elliptical button to the right of the font field. Select the font, font style, and size and click OK. When you have completed the Appearance tab, click the Save button. To revert to the default appearance settings, click on the default button, then click the Save button. The Filtering tab allows you to set the default filter for the member list in Member Manager. Filtering the list can be beneficial in that seldomly viewed members, for example, resigned members, can be excluded from the list but recalled on demand. There are 3 options. 1. None, show all members. 2. Filter by custom query. 3. Filter by member type and status. If you select the None radio button and then click Save, the member list will always default to all member types and member statuses. The Filter by custom query option allows you to precisely define the member filter. For example, you can create a query which will only list members of the member type member and who are active and who are the head of their family. To apply a custom query, click on the elliptical button on the right of the Filter by Custom Query field. Next, select the query you wish to use and click OK. The selected query will appear in the Filter by Custom Query field. To filter by member type and status, select the applicable radio button and then check the types you wish to display and the status for each type. At the bottom of the Filtering tab is a field which by default says Populated with the specified filters. There is another option which is Left Empty. That option will cause the member list to be empty until you search for a member in the search box at the top of the member list in Member Manager. Once you have completed the Filtering tab, click the Save button to save the settings. Add-ins are applications and functions which can be invoked by right-clicking in the member list in Member Manager. You can enable or disable add-ins using the checkboxes on the Add-ins tab. Once you have completed your selection, click the Save button. The Buzz support team will assist you in selecting the add-ins for your club. The Columns tab allows you to select the columns and the width of the columns to be displayed in the member list in Member Manager. The first step is to enable the columns you wish to be displayed. To enable or disable a column, click on the column in the list. Next, click the Edit button. Check or uncheck the visible checkbox and click Save. The visible column in the list will display the change you made. Once the visibility settings have been set, you can change the column widths. Adjust the column widths in the member list by dragging them to the desired widths. Next, right-click in the member list, select Setup, and then select the Columns tab. Click on the Use Current button, then click Save. Keep in mind that the list will likely only support the display of 2 or 3 columns, depending on the font size and the columns which are visible. The default column widths will be set. For more from the Learning Center, or to learn more about Buzz Club software, check out our website at buzzsoftware.com.